Hello folks, this is Andrew Nadeau from Stonehearth Capital Management here with an educational economic update for December 2021. In this month's video, we'll discuss some recent headlines that influenced the financial markets in November. I will also provide some perspective on what these developments may mean in the months ahead. Please stay tuned at the end of this video for a required disclosure statement. Stocks struggled to find positive ground in November. Despite some positive economic news, global and domestic markets were sent reeling following the discovery of the Omicron coronavirus variant in South Africa. Kicking off the month was a positive reading on the jobs market. The most recent report showed that the pace of jobs gain accelerated in October as 531,000 new jobs were added compared to 312,000 new jobs added in September. Through the first 10 months of the year, monthly job growth has averaged 582,000 jobs. The unemployment rate also ticked down 0.2% and now stands at 4.6%. The manufacturing industry also got a boost in November, as the latest reading on industrial production was released. The report showed that production rose 1.6% in October after falling 1.3% in September. Overall, total industrial production is 5.1% above its year-earlier level and is at its highest reading since December 2019. While jobs in manufacturing offered positive momentum for the economy in November, one area that is still providing significant headwinds is inflation. The most recent report released in November showed that prices increased 0.6% in October after climbing 0.4% in September. Prices are now 5% higher when compared to October 2020. Prices for used and new cars has been one area driving a lot of the price gains in recent times. Prices for new vehicles and used vehicles rose 1.4% and 2.5% in October respectively. The Federal Reserve Board also met during November. While the committee decided to leave rates unchanged, they did agree to begin tapering accommodative asset purchases by $15 billion a month. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell indicated that the Omicron variant could also hinder economic recovery efforts and impact the country's response to surging inflation. Markets finished the month mostly lower, except for the Nasdaq. The S&P 500 dropped 0.8%, while the Dow fell 3.7%, and the Nasdaq eked out a small gain of 0.3%. As we close out 2021 and head into 2022, the Federal Reserve and their response to rising inflationary pressures will be a focus for investors, while the jobs picture will be something to keep an eye on to see if job growth continues to accelerate from here, or if rising positive COVID cases and the spread of the Omicron variant start to slow this momentum. That's it for this month's Educational Economic Update. Once again, this is Andrew Nadeau with Stonehearth Capital Management signing off for the month of December 2021. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 978-624-3000. We'd be happy to talk to you. Thank you.